To cook for someone is to choose them in the quietest way. It is giving your time, your attention, your care, and turning it into something warm and tangible. It is noticing what they love, what comforts them, and standing in a kitchen with the simplest intention of making them feel cherished. Hands moving with intention, chopping, stirring, tasting, adjusting, all for someone who may never see the effort behind it. There is something intimate about placing a plate in front of someone you love. It carries more than food, it carries thought. Cooking for someone is love turned into action. It is art without applause, care without announcement, devotion expressed through something simple and human. It is standing in a quiet kitchen and choosing to create warmth for the person you hold close. In every small detail, it says, I see you, I cherish you, and I choose you again. And sometimes the most romantic thing we can offer is not words, but a table set with intention and a meal made just for them.